Hey, this is Tom with Fresh Vintage. And last week when I was surfing on YouTube, I came across this 4K camera UAV or drone. This is a model E88 and it has dual cameras and it says it's 4K. The reason I find that a little suspect is this was also a flash sale of $14.69. So I said, what the heck? Went on Temu.com, downloaded the app, spun a little prize wheel, and I got this drone for $2.09. So I have my suspicions that this quality is not going to be that great, but we're going to compare it to the DJI Mini 3 Pro, a real drone, and we're going to see how this stacks up against a real drone, which I believe this thing is anywhere from $400 to $600. I'm leaning toward the $600 for this guy right here. But we're going to go ahead and unbox this right now. Okay, and here we go. Let's see what's inside here. So here's our actual drone, and if you've ever felt a piece of paper in your hand, that's about what I'm feeling. I believe these are antennas, but these look like batteries. So we have a battery, I have a battery, and then what's in here? Looks like another battery. Yeah, so we got 3 batteries with it, not bad for $2.09. And we got some propellers. We're gonna get some batteries and get this charged up, and then we're gonna take it outside and see how it flies. Okay, so you have to record, or you have to connect to the Wi-Fi network.
Which means it has a fairly short range.
Yeah, so this probably only has about 100-foot range, maybe. So this is our Wi-Fi network, and it's saying connected to device can't provide internet, but it's actually giving us, now that we're in here and we're connected, it's giving us a video feed. So there's the grass, and we just changed the battery in it.
There it goes. Oh, there it is.
Look at that thing. Perfect. So folks, look at how this thing is holding its own. It's windy out here, and this thing is doing an exceptional job of just staying in, not just in one spot, but it's like, look how close it's holding my, and that's in some pretty good wind. We're probably in like 5 or 10 mile an hour winds, and it's almost in the exact same spot.
And that one's just blowing it away?
This one like just went over there by the shed. We actually just got it from underneath, behind the shed, so. Okay, so I'm not moving that at all. I'm actually having to hold the drone like that's okay. So this is stock right here. I'm not touching the controls at all, folks. This is the drone you get for $2.09. Look at how it's wandering right now. Okay, so right there, I'm pretty much having to hold this stick. Like, look at the stick. So that's nothing. It's coming right at us. I'm having to hold the stick. Oh boy. Now, part of this is the propellers. Like, it's actually almost not able to overcome the wind right now. I have it on full forward mode, and it's just barely, like, look at the Maverick here. Look at the Mini 3 Pro. It's just sitting there doing nothing. Meanwhile, this drone, I'm moving it. That's like going full speed ahead to keep. Like, if I do that, look at how it's coming back. So we're gonna bring it back here. And again, that's almost full speed ahead right there. Okay, so we're getting a little bit more control. Okay, stop. No.
He's losing it.
And there it is, in the neighbor's tree.
So Tom, you got the drone stuck in the neighbor's tree.
So how do you feel about that? Well, I kind of feel stupid right now. So, but okay, folks, there it is, stuck in the tree. Gently grab this branch. Want me to try? Do this, and it looks relatively unscathed. Uh-oh, stop! Oh, you did. Okay, folks, he just got done saying, at least I didn't put it into the tree, so. I will say we didn't need a ladder for that one, so. Hey, so we're out here. A little bit bigger area than Jay's backyard. Nothing wrong with Jay's backyard, but. So 3 batteries, just real quick, each battery, these things aren't big. We didn't have high expectations, but each battery maybe lasted 5 minutes. That's probably pushing it, to be honest. And right now, we've tried each battery, brand new battery. That's, you see where the drone's at. This is about as far as we got it in distance and vertical. So I tried going as high as I could, and the actual connection cut out after about that distance, but straight up in the air. So we're just gonna walk towards this thing because I'm still getting video of the ground. So we're gonna just walk towards this thing and see when it like starts responding. Yeah, nothing yet. And nothing yet. Oh, there we go. All right, let's see if I can actually get it down the parking lot. So we're not doing that again. And you can see how much the wind is moving it. That's like full right. Just to keep it stable, I'm moving it about half right now with it here. Yeah, right there. It actually just, the controls just cut out. Yeah, it's actually not coming to us right now because the battery is that weak. So I'm just gonna put it down. There we go. So to wrap things up here, Jay and I are checking out the Temu drone here. $2.09. It doesn't fly very far, maybe 50 feet. Each battery here lasts 5-6 minutes. The software is okay, but you could probably do a whole lot better. How do we fix this thing, Jay?
I don't know. It'd be more in it to fix it than it's worth, you know?
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. I know how to fix this thing. I'll be right back. Hang on. I know how to fix this. I'll be right back. Stupid piece of junk.
Wait, what are you doing? Oh my. Well, I think it's permanently fixed. What do you think?
Pretty sure it won't be flying now. Moral of the story, folks, don't spend your hard-earned money on this thing. Save the $2.09. If you like classic cars, if you like muscle cars, if you like DIY and tech, just not this tech, if you like Chevelles and Chargers and all the rest, Freshman is your channel. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.